Are you recording?
Who?
Who? Are you recording is what I'm asking. Who?
So who are you?
Hello, this is Deborah Herdman, owner of Nature's Healing. I'm back with you again today to discuss our personal care line. I've enjoyed using the personal care line for many years now. It has made me feel better, and it's like going to the bathroom and having a spa day. You know, we always want to feel better. Well, now you get to have the products infused with Young Living essential oils in them. How great is that? So in the morning I'll wake up and I'll shower with my shampoo, and I'll shower with my conditioner, Lavender Mint Conditioner. Now these are very concentrated, so you use a very small pea-sized amount, seriously. Yeah, you will not have a lathered up scalp. It just doesn't happen. We have natural stuff in our products. So, and to also let you know, when I'm in the shower, I will actually use a drop of peppermint in the corner of my shower, and that will actually, the steam from the shower will help give me an aromatherapy shower, and it's amazing. It smells really good too. And so what else I do while I'm in the shower is I apply my Art Gentle Foaming Cleanser, and yes, it's very concentrated, so it's a little pump. It'll last you a very long time. My Art Toner, which gives me a full balance of my skin when I get out of the shower. Though I also love to share with you the fact that I travel so much that I have to have literally a travel size of my shampoo, my conditioner, my mouthwash, and you're wondering, what are these little guys? Well, this is like my small little, my Orange Blossom face wash. The reason why I do that is because it's so darn concentrated that I put a little bit of the Orange Blossom in there, and I added the rest with water, and I pump it out, put it on, and I get the right amount. I don't overdo it, and it's perfect that way. Also like the fact that, let me see what else I got in here. Oh, my Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream. Yes, I got this container from someone else, and I loved it. And I was able to put all my Sandalwood Moisturizing Cream in there, so I don't have the container itself to show you. But it pumps out, so that way I can get just the right amount of product that I need and not overdo it, because there is a lot. When I get out of the shower and I want to feel good and relaxed, especially in the evening time, I will put on my Lavender Hand and Body Lotion. Or, if you want to, and you just want to try something different, we have the Genesis Hand and Body Lotion. So, either way, I also have with me, it's Regeneral Moisturizing Cream. Regeneral Moisturizing Cream helps soothe your joints and your ligaments. So when you're having stiffness and stuff, like at nighttime, I literally will try to put stuff like this on my hands, so that way I feel good. I wake up feeling better. You know, it's working throughout the night. In the summertime, we're out camping and you're exposed to the natural, wonderful sunlight. Well, if you're dealing with a little bit of redness like I do, I squirt a little bit of lavender cooling mist on my body entirely everywhere, and it soothes it so much. It's soothing, nourishing, and it protects the stress of the skin, which I love the most. Let's see what else. Oh, my satin facial scrub. Okay. My satin facial scrub, mint, I have enjoyed using this a lot, because when at nighttime and you need to exfoliate, this stuff is so natural, and it has the peppermint in it, thank you, that I get so much use out of it. So what I'm going to do is show you what you can do to actually get more use out of all of your top products here that you're trying to figure out. You just take and you cut the top part of that, just like so. You scoop out the rest of whatever the product is in there, which apparently isn't too much because I squeezed out a lot of it already. But I have a little bit. You put it into the other part of the tube itself. So a little bit there. There we go. Yum, yum, yum. Never liked a waste product. I love this stuff. And then you actually put the rest of this back on there. Just like so. And voila. Now you can actually get into it and it won't harden up and it seals and you can work the rest of it out. So there's that. Oh, and then when I'm getting ready for the day and I want to have a little hopeful makeup on. I don't wear makeup much, so when Young Living came out with the lip gloss, I was so ecstatic because you can put the lip gloss on just like so, and it has the essential oils in it. And you're wondering, okay, how did they get the color to it? Well, you know they use plants, so they take the plants, they grind it up, and that's how they get the color hue for it. So the other part I love is the fact that they actually have it's like a little perfume type little roll-on that you roll on your wrist, and you can roll on different parts of your body. It don't matter where you roll it, you can roll it anywhere. But you can literally travel and put this in your purse, and it's wonderful conversational piece. Just so you know, hello, this works really great for conversations when you're out traveling. And for those people who love lip balms, we got them. We have lavender, we have grapefruit, we have cinnamon, and it's awesome. So the lavender, put that on, and you're ready for the winter. No chocolate. So excited. Okay, so I think I got over all the, and we also have this wonderful product called the Essential Beauty Serum, which is for acne-prone skin. Usually when you have something that's coming up out of your skin, I just do a little dab and touch it on me wherever I need to, and it takes care of that problem. So I think, my other favorite. I have to tell you about my Deep Relief. I travel with it just like I do my lip balm. When I'm out and about and I need a little bit, my body's not feeling as happy as it should, I roll it on my muscles, and then later on, life is good and I can continue to work and do everything. This stuff, the Cool though, this rocks. When you're a workout person like I am, or very active and you're out